Our dispatchers were stressed when they answered the phone. Somebody called having a heart attack, and they could not promise that they were going to have an ambulance there.
Well, new tonight, ambulance providers say insurance companies aren't paying up, leading to emergency medic shortages, especially in rural areas, sometimes leading to no ambulance service at all.
As our Ian Hardwitt found out today, even emergency medical services in cities find tight budgets as a result.
These emergency medics came to Frankfort from all over Kentucky, seeking passage of House Bill 447. It would force insurance companies to increase their minimum payments for ambulance runs.
I mean, who helps the helpers? Who responds to the responders?
John Holder leads Kentucky's Board of Emergency Medical Services. He says small-town medics increasingly work double duty.
And they had to do that for a couple of reasons. One, the wages they're getting aren't enough to pay their bills. They have to work 2 jobs. But also, if they don't go to the town next door and clock in, that town doesn't have a paramedic.
Those problems, Holder said, come from the average reimbursement insurance companies pay out for ambulance service, 34%. In Nelson County, it's as low as 10%. Suburban EMS providers like Jeffersontown see a little bit more reimbursement money from the insurance companies, but here they say they still only receive about 40% of what they bill.
But what we run into a lot is people debating, should I go to the hospital or not? I can't afford it.
Jeffersontown Fire and EMS spokeswoman Amber Cobb says that's because most ambulance services are out of network for insurance providers. HB 447 would also require insurers to pay for those out of network EMS runs. If the bill passes, Cobb said J-Town EMS could afford replacements for 6 8-year-old ambulances with over 200,000 miles on them.
And then that extra funds also allows us to pay our employees more, allows us to have better training equipment.
I mean, insurance companies, of course, they're going to have an issue with setting reimbursement rates.
Representative Rebecca Raymer filed the bill trying to stop what the Kentucky Ambulance Provider Association calls a crisis.
They could pay us $1 and we're going to continue to provide the care because we have to.
Reporting from Frankfort, Ian Hardwitt for WHAS 11 News on your side.
Well, if passed, this bill would take effect at the beginning of next year.
It would cost on average an extra $70 a year for a family of 4. The Kentucky Association of Health Plans, an industry group for insurance companies, called the cost impacts a concern.